Hi, welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to make a healthy protein powder using super nutritious Moringa leaves, referred to as the miracle tree. It is consumed as capsules in Western countries due to its high nutritional content. Now let's see the ingredients required to make this powder at home. To a pan, add chana dal and roast for a minute. Add dried red chilies and roast it along with the chana dal. Now transfer the roasted ingredients to another plate. Now to the same pan, add the urad dal and coriander seeds and roast them. Add sesame seeds and toss them all once again. Add cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Finally, let's add the fenugreek seeds and toss all of them until they are light brown. Transfer all the roasted ingredients to another plate. A little browning is okay. Add grated coconut and moringa leaves into the pan. Wash the moringa leaves and dry it indoors before using it in the recipe. Here I am using the moringa leaves that I have just washed, so I am roasting it well to take off its moisture content. Transfer the roasted ingredients to a plate. That we are done with all the roasting, transfer them to a mixer grinder and add salt to taste. Grind them to a fine powder. To serve it with rice, mix about 2 tablespoons of this powder with 1 tablespoon of ghee and serve it over hot rice. You can also add a spoon of this powder in all your veggies and stir fries. If you want it spicy, you can add peppercorns while roasting. If you like it tangy, you can add dried mango pieces or tamarind and roast it along. And if you are serving it to kids, you can avoid the chili altogether. If roasted well, it stays fresh for 2 to 3 weeks. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. See you soon in another interesting video. Thank you.